Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank Steve Giles for giving us his beautiful GTR for testing our trigger setup on his Haltech ECU to get the right offset setting for the trigger. So here's what we got. Keys on. His computer is connected. It's a Haltech. Okay, first of all, what we did was we left his OEM trigger in place. Make sure the car runs. Get the proper base timing set so that we know what to set ours to when we give him back the car. And here is his old cast, and here is our new trigger installed on there. Right now we haven't tied up the wire because we still think that we might need to make some adjustments, but this is basically a test just to make sure that it worked, and it worked well on a Haltech computer or anything else that runs a 24-in-1 tooth setup. So I'm just gonna start it up now. Okay, it started, runs really well, and there is our reading on the RPM, which means that the trigger setup was set correctly. Now let's go see our timing. That's just to show that it is working well on the Haltech. I guess it's a GTR day, because everything in here is pretty much a GTR.